Alright, picture this. It's 9 p.m., you're juggling 3 deadlines, and you've got to email your professor, your senior, and maybe even HR for that internship. The last thing you want is to agonize over how formal or chill your email should sound. Instead of stressing over "respected sir, ma'am" versus "hey, there's a faster way." Here's where email automation steps in, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you just pop in a few details. Yo, who you're writing to, what you want to say, and boom, you get a draft that's tailored to the situation. Super formal for your professor, friendly but respectful for your senior, and crisp and professional for HR. Let me show you how it works. First, open up your email generator of choice. Type in who you're emailing and what you need to say. An extension, a fest invite, a job inquiry. Hit generate, and in seconds, you've got a polished draft. You can tweak it if you want, but honestly, most of the work is done for you. Now, instead of spending an hour crafting the perfect message, you're done in minutes. That means more time for studying, Netflix, or just chilling. Plus, you'll sound sharp and confident in every email. No more second guessing if you're being too casual or too stiff. So if you want to level up your college hustle, give email automation a shot. Save time, sound smarter, and never miss an opportunity because of an awkward email. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Pick, edit a little, and hit send. You're done.